This is your Fox 10 News Now update.
Hi everyone, Eric Reynolds with your Fox 10 News Now update. The Mobile County Health Department says it knows why there was a big spike in the COVID-19 cases reported on Wednesday. Health Department officials say it was due to batch processing by 2 laboratories. They say that yesterday's 66 cases were reported, which is nearly 1/3 of what was reported on Wednesday. Now, more than 12,000 people in Mobile County have been diagnosed with COVID-19 since the pandemic started, and 255 people have died. Health Department officials say the data on the number of hospitalized patients was not available, but it had been 129. Well, hold on to your mask a little longer. Governor Ivey yesterday extended the statewide mask mandate until October the 2nd. Governor Ivey says that more time is needed to blunt the spread of the coronavirus. When the governor ordered people to start wearing masks in public back on July the 15th, the state was averaging nearly 1,700 new COVID-19 cases a day. Now, the current 7-day rolling average has dropped to just 763 per day. Many families are returning home after evacuating before Hurricane Laura slammed into the Gulf Coast. Some homes on Holly Beach, Louisiana were devastated by Laura's deadly winds. Residents having to dodge down power lines, boulders, and other storm debris. So many coastal communities from Orange or Bridge City and even the small enclave of Little Florida Beach all hit very hard. At least 4 people were killed. Laura's wind speeds topping 150 miles per hour, making it one of the strongest hurricanes ever to strike the U.S. and the most powerful to hit Louisiana, leaving neighborhoods flattened and businesses destroyed and hundreds of thousands without power across Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi, and Arkansas. Well, that power will be restored thanks to help from power crews from our area. A convoy of Alabama power crews and trucks and vehicles left yesterday afternoon, headed for Beaumont, Texas. They'll be working with Entergy Utilities to help with restoring power. Alabama power officials say that they've been talking with other utilities for the past week, preparing for this. Now, several crews from Baldwin EMC will be leaving today to help out as well. Folks in our area already making plans to make donations to the hardest hit areas of Hurricane Laura. The American Legion in Fairhope taking some non-perishable items now through the weekend to make and take them as close as they can to Lake Charles as possible. Folks jumped into action yesterday, taking things by the American Legion office there after seeing the images of destruction in Louisiana and Texas. If you'd like to help, the best thing that you can do is to bring some non-perishable items, cleaning supplies, hand sanitizer to the Eastern Shore Post 199 of the American Legion. Now, if you would do it by Tuesday, it's located on Mobile Street in Fairhope.
I'm meteorologist Michael White with your Fox 10 Storm Tracker update, and this is a look at the Storm Tracker radar just before 4:30 in the morning. And you can see we had a big band of rain that was primarily stalled west of Interstate 65 that is now starting to weaken. Not much lightning, but there have been plenty of pockets of heavy rain stretching from Pascagoula all the way up to Thomasville, and then some scattered hit and miss rain located east of I-65 in places like Baldwin County and the Florida Panhandle. Best thing you can do today is just keep the rain gear handy, because there's going to be a lot of Gulf moisture still in play, and that's going to mean 70 to 80% coverage of showers. What's left of Laura is a tropical depression that will work its way eastward, and we're just going to see offshore to onshore bands of rain moving through across the area for your Friday. We'll start to see the coverage of rain backing off a bit next week, and the humidity will start to decline a little bit as well. But in the short term, here's your weather headlines. More rain possible. We stay humid. As far as temperature relief, we're going to get a little bit of that, especially in our mornings as we head in toward next week. Let's go through the futurecast, where you have that big band of rain west of I-65 that starts to weaken throughout the morning. And then by mid-morning, most spots go dry, although you'll start to see the storm coverage picking up again later this afternoon. And west of I-65 is where the majority of those showers and storms will be. And once we get into the early evening, you'll start to see a lot of the showers fading out. This is at high school football baseball kickoff time. A few showers in select spots, but most locations will be rain-free. Here's how the next 7 days stack up. The highs stay in the upper 80s. Morning temperatures stay in the mid-70s. You will notice the rain and storm coverage goes down by the middle portion of next week. We're going to talk more about your weather throughout the day right here on Fox 10 News Now.
Stay tuned to Fox 10 News throughout the day for the latest updates. This has been your Fox 10 News Now update.